Ooh, no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Hey, wait, what the? Alright, let's play some more Rain World. Let's play some more Rain World. Yeah. Wait, is the mic good? Ah, 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 ah. Yep, it's good. Oh, yeah. Okay. The trolls. It was the trolls. What's down here? Ooh, wait, what is that? Oh, is that a new area? Oh my god, there's so much on the map. Holy. Oi, 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 oi. No, 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 no. Should I eat the mushroom? Should I eat the mushroom? Oh. So I guess we're going this way? What do these symbols mean? What is that? Oh, Jesus. No, wait, no. I need to go back, I need to go back, I need to go back. The plant gives me food, I want to go back. Ooh, should I kill a troll? Well, let me kill. I'm gonna try kill him. Shoot. Okay. How do I get up here? Maybe I have to go this way? I think I might have. There's food down there though. Yeah, nah. No thank you. No thank you. Oh, I can't go up. Alright, so this thing, if I spear it, I think I get. Nice. Nice. What do I do now? How do I eat it? Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, nice, 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 nice. Do I want my mushroom? I will keep my mushroom. Where am I going first of all? Map? Alright, maps here. Do I want to go to the right? There's a spawn down there. Maybe I should go there. Oh, there's so much I haven't explored. Do I want to go down or do I want to go? I mean, I can't climb the wall. Maybe I should go down. Alright, I think I'll go down. Spear. I'm bringing the mushroom too, just in case I need to like. Ooh, what are you? Just in case I need to jump something and I need to float. Let's go here. Yeah, let's go here. Oh, what is this? Is this lore? It's lore. Wait. Wait, what? Oh, okay, wait. It said that if I grab the pearl and I give it to the troll, something happens? Ow. How do I swap my hand weapons? I'll just eat it. Yeah, just eat it, I guess. Wait, wait, what? What's that? Alright. Alright, yeah. Give it to him. I need to find a troll. These pearls are valued by the scavengers. Okay. Doesn't really tell me why. Should I find a troll and give it to him? Is that what I'm meant to do? Or should I just keep moving? Oh! What is this? Okay, okay, okay. Uh, no, 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 wait, 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 hold on. Hold on. Okay, okay, okay. I'm just making sure it's not in my spear hand, so I accidentally throw the spear at them. Alright. How do I give it? How do I give it? Okay, I know I need to give it to them, but like, do I have to throw it at them? Is that what happens? Yeah, okay, we'll do the same thing. We'll do the same thing. No mushroom. I need food. What the hell? Ooh. Ooh. If I give him the pearl now, will it change anything? Oh, no, wait, I didn't mean to. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 I didn't mean to. I need to make sure I'm not throwing the spear. I need the spear for the food. I need food first. I need food first. I'll get the food and then I will go back up. Why is he blue? Do, 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 do. That is so cool. Oh, can I grab 2 pearls? Stop it. Stop it. Oh, is that spider? What the hell is that? Alright, I'm going to throw one and keep the other one. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please, please, please. I know you like the pearls. I know you like the pearls. I'm just gonna just run past them. Just run past them. Just run past them. Oh, they do pick it up. Oh, I've made friends. No, I don't think I made friends. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think we're gonna I think we're gonna enter a new place. I heard something. I'm going. I'm going. Goodbye. He's throwing spears. I don't know why, but they're throwing spears. Why? Why? I gave you money. Oh no! I gave you money. Oh, where are we going? Oh God, where are we going? Ah, I can't eat you. Oh jeez. Oh no, 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 no. I'm just gonna go through. Ooh, all right. Get off me. Can you get off me? Thank you. Nice. Nice. Not nice. Very not nice. Leap. Nice. Ooh. No. No, no. It's disgusting. How do I get there? Ew, what are you? Why do you have tentacles? No. Can I feed it? Oh. How do I get up there? Oh, no. What is that? What is that? Oh, what are you? No. I need to get there? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, it's dead. One of the leeches? What happened to you, buddy? Oh, hell no. Will it attack me? Please don't attack me. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm... What is it? Is it friendly? Ew! No, wait. Are the leeches eating it? I think the leeches are eating it. Please! Please! Oh! Ew, what are you? What are you actually? No! 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 Jump it. Screw it. Screw it. Just run for it. Oh no! Oh no! I was there! I was there! Oh well, I'm dead. Ah! No, I'm not going there. I want to go to that new place. It's law. What's down there? Do I want to check what's down there? Ah, fine. No. There's spawn down there. Oh my god, I went far. It's a... I'll check down there. I'll check down there. Ooh! Can I do anything with these, like, symbols? No, I can't. Ow, ow, ow. I'm really just... Okay, Are there leeches? Are there, Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's telling me to go here now. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. No, no, buddy, no. Ooh, I don't want to die. Should I risk it? Should I risk it? Why is it jiggling? Why is it vibrating? Oh, what the hell? Oh no, that's so bad. That's so bad. Oh, I'm actually fine. Okay. Hold up, what are you? Oh, there's so many weird things. Stop! 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 Stay! What's that? Is that a dead one? Or is it sleep? Oh, it's so disgusting. Oh my god, is it dead or is it alive? Oh no! I think it's dead. Ew. Did you kill your buddy? Is that fine? It might be fine actually. I'm gonna pick up all the pearls now. Now that I know the trolls want it. Why do I feel like I'm not supposed to go here? Can you jump onto me? I don't think you can. Oh, parkour! Parkour! Well, I just did it. Thank you. Run, run. I'm safe. I'm saving. I saw like 5 different things. The creatures. They all stuck. I guess I'm going here. Yeah, I'm going there. Ooh. Wait, what happened to my silver bowls? Sorry, I'm gonna call them pearls. Are they in here? No. That. Yeah. How do I get them to come out? You know what? Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. I didn't want them anyway. Am I meant to go down here? This can't be safe. Come on, get in there, you stinky. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah, alright. Okay, I'm not going down there. That's crazy. Where does it want me to go? Yeah? It wants me to go down there? Why? Wait, but why? Bro, I'm already ahead of you. Keep up. Shoot! Stop it! Why is the blue one moved now? Oh, okay, we're fine. It doesn't do anything. I think the sacks are not good. Aye! I'm gonna go down here. All the trolls are coming out. Oh! New content? Where are we going? Oh, no! 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 Hey, what the f— Oi! Oi, dumbass! No! No! Okay. We're not going there. We're so not going there. Ugh, that's disgusting. Hey! I'm fine. I think... You know what? I should have just shot the thing with like a spear. Oh, it wants me to go down there? I'm going up here anyway. I don't want to go back to that thing. That was terrible. And up we go. Parkour. Right. I say we just keep going that way then. Can I spit out my bowl? I can. Is that a spider? Yuck. I need to find a way to give it to them, you know? Like, I give it to them and they kill me. I'm throwing one. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, let me spit out my other one for you. I think I'm fine. I think I'm fine. They might kill me, but I think it's because I gave them pearls that they're not gonna kill me. I already forgot how I died here. Give me the grub, bro. Give me the grub. Snakes are good. The snakes are good. Can I feed it? No, no, no! I wanted to feed it. No, please. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. How far do you want me? Like here? Damn. That's sad. Please don't kill me. And it killed me. Hey, hey. Okay, it doesn't kill you, it drags you. Still equally annoying. Hold on. Does it like reset the AI if I go down here? Maybe it does. I'm gonna reset it, see if it works. No! No! Why can't you be a little nice? Oh. Okay, confiscated my spear. Maybe that's what it does. Maybe I just need to have something in my hand and then it will, you know. Let's keep going. I can go up here? I didn't know I could go up there. Up into this little thing. Jumping it. And there's a wall there. There's a wall there. There's a wall right there. That's great. That's great stuff. Great stuff. I wish I could burn you! Oh, what the hell? You're in there. Oh, what is it? That's disgusting! Jump it. Please, thank you. Oh my god, 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 you're gross. Is that friendly or is it like really bad? I think it's really bad. I think it's really bad. I have to go for it though. If I don't go for it, I'm just gonna be stuck on this thing. Why are there so many leeches? Maybe I need. Oh shoot, the leech is down here. Get off me! Why are you so long? That's so crazy. That's so crazy. That's so crazy! Oh, I'm all the way back here. Oh, the pain. Do I don't want to go down here. This place sucks. No, I don't want to go down here. No, no, no. You're fine. You're fine. We'll skip you. You're just weird. You're just weird, freaky little thing. I'm jumping you. Nope. 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 No! Let's jump this. Hey! Nice. Jump this. No, please! I'm so mad at you! Da 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 da. I don't want to do this anymore! Jump that. What is going on? I swear. Oh, it's on me. It's. What the hell are you? What the hell are you? What the hell are you? I don't like you at all. Oh, do I want to do that whole jump sequence again, or do I want to do this? I don't even know. He's coming. It's coming. Oh. Oh, maybe I'm safe. Okay. Thank God. There's something in there. Who's that? Go up here. I don't know what that was. Jump that? Can't jump that. Maybe I can. I can! Nice! Oh, I found the spawn! Can I get in? Thank you. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Woo! How do I get up there? Wait, yeah, how am I supposed to get out? Oh, you know what? I think I need to put a spear down. That's probably it. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I think that's what I'm meant to do. Up here, and then I will strike that. I can't reach that. That I can't reach that. Oh, and the lizards here. God. Alright, well. Yeah, you're dumb. You're dumb. We can climb it. Yeah, I think I'll go out from. Yeah. It's just very long and tedious and annoying. I'm gonna try kill it. I'm gonna try killing it. Just... Oh! Buddy. I wanna try kill it. Oh, never mind. Nah, it needs to die. It needs to die. I can't get it though. That's the problem. Okay, so I think I can't hit it on its head because it's got like armor or something. I think I gotta hit it on its like fleshy part. Wait, I need a spear for this. Wait, I need a spear for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. You suck so much. There's a spear right here. My apologies. My apologies. My apologies. My apologies. My apologies. My apologies. My apologies! Up you go! Down you go! Man, you are so annoying. You know that, right? You're so annoying. Why are there so many trolls? And why are you blue? No, I'm not going there. I'm gonna go to the troll place because I've always been going there and I've never been able to get past all of them. And so now I'm gonna do it because I gave him a silver bowl. Okay, I throw stuff in my left hand. My left, his right. Up we go. Alright, I'm gonna buff up. I'm gonna buff up that silver bowl. Alright, stop. I'm gonna throw it. Yay, we're buddies! Right, I can finally get past him. Stop. Oh, are you my friend? Or is he showing me to some place? Oh, maybe he is. Well, maybe I can't get there. I can't go there. Alright. But I'm finally past those stupid trolls. No offense. I gave them 3 pearls, so I'm hoping that those 3 pearls would... I mean, there's one more pearl there. You know, I don't know how... I don't know how dangerous these things are. Like, there are bugs down there. You look fine. I mean, last time... I'm gonna eat the pearl. I'm gonna drop down. Wait, there's so many! Ah! Wait, there's so many pearls though. Maybe I should grab them all. I don't know how to switch to hands, but wait, is there a place down here I can mayhaps go? Nah, it doesn't look like it. Maybe I can go Through here? Like this beam? No. I am a confusion. Where do I go? Up? No. Maybe I wasn't meant to go here. I have no idea. Do the bugs do anything to me? No, they don't. Okay, I don't think I'm meant to. But what are you though? I don't understand what you are. Maybe I'm not meant to do anything with the blue thing. I have no idea. Well, that's annoying. Then why did I come here? And there, you get pearl, and you get another pearl. I'm so screwed. Oh my god, the rain's coming. The rain is coming. I can do it. 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 I did it. Okay, nice. Nice. Right, so we were where we were 30 minutes ago. Oh man. Why are we at the same spot we were half an hour ago? Anyway, bye.